Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn ABC alphabet. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Black color, black color. Kids now coloring ABC alphabets. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for airplane, and use red color, red color, the alphabets of A. It's neither B. B for ball, B for bat, and use green color, green color, the alphabets of B. It's neither C. C for cat, C for car, and use yellow color, yellow color, the alphabets of C. It's neither D. D for dog, D for doll, and use blue color, blue color. It's neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. It's neither F. F for fish, F for fan, and use black color, black color. It's neither G. G for goat, G for grapes, and use red color, red color. It's neither H. H for hen, H for helicopter, and use green color, green color. It's today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.